Welcome back. In this episode, I combined the taste of gooey cheese with prosciutto and fig jam. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited you're here because I have a delicious recipe for you. Now, right here I'm making a fig jam. Had some figs. I cut them up, cut the stems off, cut them in half, added some water, and covered it and brought it to a boil. In the meantime, I got some red onions and I used a mandolin to cut them up. You see, I like to get them all uniform and about the same size. And then it's time for the slow cooking. You know, I put a little salt on there to help me out. And what I'm doing here is I'm caramelizing the onions. This takes a while, but the flavor is totally worth it. And this adds so much to the grilled cheese, I promise you. Now checking up on the figs, it comes to a boil. Mix it up, and you gotta add some sugar to it. I add some coconut sugar right there, as you can see. Alright, look at that, it just looks amazing. I'm telling you, if you were there, you smell that, it's so good. And then I use a potato masher to mash them up. And then I added some lemon juice. The lemon juice really, that's the ingredient right there that takes it off. I like it. And then I use a little immersion blender to blend it up because I don't want it chunky. I kind of want it smooth. If you don't have an immersion blender, that's okay. Just use a regular blender or a food processor or whatever you have. Just put it in there, and you could blend it up. Or if you like it chunky, you just smash it up and eat it chunky like that. Now the prosciutto, I like it crispy, on my sandwich, so I cook it a little bit. And as you see right here, I'm spreading out the fig jam. I put the caramelized onions, the prosciutto, cheddar cheese right here. Some Gouda, good old Gouda, and some Gruyere. Now these are great for grilled cheese sandwiches right here. I made it real cheesy. And before I put it on the grill, I butter up the sides of the bread, and I put that butter side down. Now when you put that butter side down, you want to cover it and then grill it for a little bit, and then you want to do the same thing. You want to butter the other side, flip it over, cover it, and cook it some more. Oh man, then you have a cheesy surprise waiting for you on the inside. Look at this. The fig jam grilled cheese prosciutto sandwich. Now, if you want to take it a step further, you want to be extra like me, make your little patty melt. Go ahead and get you some ground beef. I made a double patty melt here. Put some prosciutto on top of that. And same thing, the same process, repeat. Alright, add your cheeses, your patty melt. Alright, and you're gonna grill it the same way. Now, if you have a monster burger like I did right here, this monster patty melt, I go ahead and I use two skewer sticks to put in the bread before I cut it. So you keep it upright. But look at that. Look at that monstrosity, that deliciousness, that gooey cheese. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I have more content coming for you in the future. Have a great day.